Hello, everyone! Ever dreamed of moving to a new country permanently? Whether it's for better career opportunities, a higher quality of life, or just a fresh start, getting permanent residency PR in another country is a game changer. But the process can be confusing, and that's why today, I'm breaking it all down for you. Stay with me as I explain how to apply for PR in some of the most popular countries step by step. What is permanent residency? Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly define what permanent residency means. PR allows you to live and work in a country indefinitely without needing a visa renewal. You can access social benefits like healthcare and education depending on the country. You're one step closer to citizenship. Most PR programs lead to naturalization if you meet the requirements. But you're not a citizen yet. You don't get a passport or voting rights unless you go through the citizenship process. Now, let's get into the PR application process for some of the most in-demand countries. Number 1, Canada, Express Entry Program. First up, we have Canada, one of the easiest countries to get PR if you have the right qualifications. The most popular way is through the Express Entry system. Here is how it works. Step 1. Check eligibility. Canada uses a points-based system called the Comprehensive Ranking System (CRS). You need at least 67 points out of 100 to qualify. Points are based on age, education, work experience, language skills English or French, and adaptability. Step 2. Create an Express Entry profile. Submit details about your work experience, education, and language test scores. Take an IELTS or CELPIP for English and TEF for French. Get your educational credential assessment ECA to prove your degree is valid. Step 3. Receive an invitation to apply ITA. Canada holds draws every 2 weeks to invite high-ranking candidates. If you receive an ITA, you have 60 days to submit documents like medical records, police clearance, and proof of funds. Step 4. Get your PR approval. Processing takes 6 to 12 months. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation of permanent residence (COPR). Land in Canada and apply for your PR card. Bonus tip: if you don't qualify for Express Entry, consider provincial nominee programs (PNPS), which allow Canadian provinces to nominate you for PR. Number 2, Australia, Skilled Migration Program. Next, we have Australia, another top destination for permanent residency. Australia's main PR pathway is through Skilled Migration Visas subclass 189, 190, and 491. Here is how to apply. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You must be under 45 years old. Have an occupation on Australia's skilled occupation list. Get at least 65 points in the points-based system age, work experience, education, etc. Step 2. Take an English language test. IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, or Cambridge English. Step 3. Submit an expression of interest (EOI) through Skill Select. This is Australia's online PR portal where you express your interest in applying. Step 4. Receive an invitation to apply ITA. Just like Canada, Australia issues invitations based on your score. Step 5. Submit your PR application. Includes police clearance, medical exam, and proof of work experience. Step 6. Get PR approval and move to Australia. Processing time, 6 to 18 months. Bonus tip: if your score is low, apply for state nomination subclass 190 or regional work visa subclass 491 to increase your chances. Number 3, USA Green Card employment-based and family sponsorship. The US has one of the toughest PR processes, but here are the best ways to get a green card. Employment-based green card. If you have a job offer from a U.S. company, your employer can sponsor you through the EB1, EB2, or EB3 visa categories. Requires a perm labor certification and approval from USCIS. Family-based green card. If you have immediate relative, spouse, parent, or child who are U.S. citizens, they can sponsor your green card. Processing time varies from 1 to 10 years depending on the visa category. Diversity Visa Lottery Green Card Lottery. Every year, the U.S. randomly selects 55,000 people from eligible countries for PR. Bonus tip: if you're an entrepreneur, the EB-5 Investor Visa allows you to get a green card by investing $800,000 plus in a U.S. business. Number 4. United Kingdom Skilled Worker Visa to Indefinite Leave to Remain ILR. The UK has a structured pathway to PR through the Skilled Worker Visa, which leads to Indefinite Leave to Remain ILR. Step 1. Get a job offer from a UK employer. The employer must be a licensed sponsor approved by the UK government. The job must meet the salary threshold, usually $26,500 per year or $10.10 per hour. Step 2. Apply for a skilled worker visa. Submit proof of job offer, English proficiency, and financial stability. Step 3. Live and work in the UK for 5 years. Follow immigration rules and maintain a clean record. Step 4. Apply for ILR permanent residency. Pass the Life in the UK test. Prove continuous residency and financial stability. Processing time: 6 to 12 months. Number 5. Germany EU Blue Card to Permanent Residency. Germany's PR pathway is through the EU Blue Card, which is designed for highly skilled workers. Step 1. Get a job in Germany. Salary must be $58,400 plus per year or $45,550 to for shortage occupations. Step 2. Apply for an EU Blue Card. Requires proof of employment, degree recognition, and health insurance. Step 3. Live and work in Germany for 33 months, or 21 months if you have B1 level German proficiency. Step 4. Apply for a permanent residence permit. Submit proof of integration, stable income, and health insurance. Number 6. New Zealand Skilled Migrant Category SMC Visa. Eligibility: aged 55 or below. Have a job offer or work experience in an in-demand field. Meet the points requirement based on age, work experience, and education. Pass English language tests. PR process: submit an expression of interest to UI online. If selected, you'll receive an invitation to apply ITA. Submit supporting documents and undergo medical and police clearance. Receive residency approval in 6 to 12 months. Live in New Zealand for 2 years, then apply for permanent residence PR visa. Number 7. Portugal Golden Visa and ND7 Visa. Golden Visa for investors. Invest at least to 800,500,000 in real estate or a business. Maintain the investment for 5 years. Travel freely within the Schengen area. Apply for PR after 5 years. D7 Visa for retirees and remote workers. Proof of stable passive income around $8,460 per year for a single applicant. Live in Portugal for 5 years before applying for PR. Number 8. Spain Non-Lucrative Visa and Golden Visa. Non-lucrative visa for retirees and freelancers. Show proof of $27,115 plus annual income from savings, pensions, or passive income. Live in Spain for 5 years, then apply for PR. Golden Visa for investors. Invest $500,000 plus in real estate or $1 million in Spanish businesses. Get PR after 5 years. Number 9. UAE Long-Term Residency and Golden Visa. Golden Visa for entrepreneurs, investors, and skilled professionals. 10-year renewable visa for investors and professionals with high qualifications. No need for a local sponsor. Open to scientists, doctors, engineers, artists, and real estate investors. 5-year retirement visa. Available to retirees over 55 years old with financial stability. Number 10. Sweden Permanent Residence for Work and Study. Work-based PR. If you have lived and worked in Sweden for 4 years, you can apply for PR. Must hold a valid work permit and meet income requirements. Study-based PR. If you complete a PhD in Sweden, you are eligible to apply for PR after 4 years. There you have it. Now you know how to apply for PR in Canada, Australia, the US, the UK, Germany, Portugal, Spain, UAE, and Sweden. Which country are you planning to move to? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this information. See you next time!